Record it.
Well, okay. Yep, I've got it. So this is the map, right? To tell you how to get up there?
Uh-huh.
Right? How far up?
It's more up.
You okay, Gilly? Do you need a rest?
No.
Well, let's walk a little bit and see if it's close enough. Oh, careful, honey. That tells you our rainy season's been dry.
What's going to happen if I'm reading the map right, you're going to come around back down another direction. It goes in a circle.
Yeah, because this is where all the water comes in. Because you can see it's wet.
Yeah, but not wet enough to have any water.
No.
Hey, look, there's a path that goes along the edge.
It goes right back down to where we came from.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah, but this is going to be right where she was standing.
And this is going to go back around in a circle.
That's okay. We get to see where it's going. Right? 12 years. That's incredible. Huh. This ain't bad. I'd like to go to the top of San Miguel, but I'd be afraid. It'd be a way bigger walk than this. I might be too old for that kind of a walk. What?
Oh, shoot, get out.
Oh, cities! Pollo! Higher and higher we go.
Hi.
We're almost at the top of the mountain. See?
More up.
More up? See? Friends are taking us to places nobody else gets to go to. And they said, maybe next week, we'll get to go to the caves. Cool. Hey, we hear waterfalls. Now that we're on the top of the mountain. I hope that's a joke and that's not our waterfall right here. Okay, so there's a teeny bit of water here. Yep. See what happens when dry seasons? Oh yeah, little. I see it down there. But as you can see, we're almost at the top. And there's a little water. Giant boulders. Okay, we're going to travel up farther. Hey, Rosie! Mama's getting a picture of you. Smile! Oh, look, you see a little water.
You want to go swimming?
There ain't enough water.
Yeah.
Yeah, my butt's too big to slide down that tiny little falls. That might hurt me.
Chocolate.
Ah, you want the cereal bar. Okay. Here's more. We got a wolf? Is it growling at you? For real? Cool. Okay. OCDs, you give him your chocolate. And if that don't work, we'll give you to him.
Then you won't have a grandbaby.
I'll make you make me more.
No, look, that's why she left you behind. She's like, I'm out of here.
Oh, that's a cool rock.
You throw me your
But I don't see any wolf. What do you mean wolf? Where?
It's over there.
I don't see a wolf. Show me.
Something's moving over there.
I don't see anything.
You're here. Oh, something's moving over in the trees. Oh, over there.
Okay, show me.
Over here, it's moving over there.
The trees are all moving from the breeze.
Oh.
Okay, I'll pause it again. It's That's another empty water spot. But it was dry up here.
¿Dónde? You want me to help you up?
No, I'm gonna pause it. What are you afraid of? Okay, I'm tired. Who's carrying me down this mountain? It's a long damn ways down. Hey, there's a sign through the trees. See it? Are we almost to the top here? Ooh, cool rock. It's got to be almost to the top because there's a top.
Oh, that rock right there, you can climb it.
But look, there's the top right there. So what, 2 or 3 stories up is the top.
That's a rock where you climb.
I like the rock with the hole in it. That's cool. Wow. Hey, at least we're not in Texas where all the killer bees are. Okay. I'll pause again because, ooh, we're high. What are we, about 7,000 feet?
I don't know.
Jeffy, are we 7,000 feet now? Yeah, maybe 7,000 feet. Killer. Okay, we'll pause it again. Cool. Hotter than hell. Hey, Rosie.
We beat you.
Ja. All right. We made it to the top. And look, there's a teeny weeny bit of water. Look. Okay, we're not at the very top, but we're at the...
Well, no, but that is the top where the water comes down, right there, when there's water.
Cool, look at the size of these rocks. Cool.
Here, stand right
Is there a cave in there? No? Bummer. All right. Cool.
So I would just...
Bummer there wasn't any more water in it.
Here. Not by the fountain, though. Here.
Don't fall off the mountain, back up. I heard that word before. You back up and you fall off the mountain, right? Look, he's picturing us. Was it a yucky picture?
One more?
Thank God for cell phones. Have a look at it before you leave. That's the great thing about digital. You know if you got a good picture or not.
Yep.
Wait, look at my belly. I want to stand behind you.
We're almost purple and black.
Wait, the next one I stand behind you because see my belly?
Okay.
Because I don't like that one. My belly, she'll crop that one out. There. She'll crop that one.
Down cities.
Where's my grandbaby?
Toma una foto.
Oh, see these. Oh, throw another temper tantrum.
Nomás tome una de mí y ya te vas a sentar.
Adios.
Te sientas.
Okay. Rosie's taping and I'm taping so I can pause. Stop.
This is Tepalo, where the waterfall is. It's inside Ajijic, on the mountain.
Si llena cuando dura 2-3 días lloviendo. Ahorita no ha llovido.
I'd like to go to the top of our mountain. Did you hear me? I'd like to go to the top of ours. Huh. This ain't bad. I'd like to go to the top of San Miguel. But I'd be afraid. Nobody else gets to go to it. I hope that's a joke and that's not our waterfall right here.
Be another lake.
It's another empty water spot. Whew. Okay, I'm tired. Who's carrying me down this mountain? It's a long damn ways down. Are we almost to the top here?
No.
Con un arma, calibre, era una M1, tumbé un árbol.
See?
Back in the,
Listen, lava's up here?
So be careful. This way.
Footstep. Are you snapping pictures
No.
or video?